AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 price definitions. You may want to set different purchase and selling prices for your stocks for any reason. For example, you may be selling product X to any of your customers at a different price. By default, 4 purchase prices and 4 sales prices are defined in our program. If you wish, you can change these default definitions or add different definitions. For this, click the Price Definitions button from the Definitions list in the Stock Management menu. Press the Transfer Default Price Definitions button or the F5 key on the keyboard to display the default price definitions. If you want to change the existing definitions, you can click on the definition and enter your own definition in the definition field above. After making the definitions, you can open any stock card and manually add prices by clicking the plus button on the Prices tab. Or you can bring the price definitions you just created to your stock. For this, click on the Transfer Default Price Definitions button. Enter the price from the price column to these definitions you transferred. In addition, you can specify barcodes or units for these definitions, and you can choose currency from the Account tab. To select the price definition to be used for your customers, open the relevant customer's card and select the price you defined from the Stock Price to Use field on the Account Info tab. You can transfer these prices to all products selected in the form when you click on the Transfer button by selecting the Transfer Stock Price field from the Price Change tab of any purchase or sale form.